Mango Graham cake. Our ingredients: mix the softened cheese with the eggs one by one. After mixing the 10 eggs, mix all together the evaporated milk and the condensed milk. Then prepare your caramel by melting. Supposedly it should be white sugar, but we don't have it, so we used brown sugar instead, and heat it in the pan until it melts. Then you need to transfer the cheesecake mixture into a molding pan and strain it, and ready for it to be steamed. After which, steam the cheesecake mixture for about 40 minutes to an hour and start peeling your mangoes. Now you can assemble your mango graham. Then our cheesecake is ready.